In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an announcement in Microsoft Teams. Announcements are a great way to draw attention to important information, ensuring that your team members don't miss crucial updates. Let's walk through each step to create a standout announcement that effectively communicates your message. First, make sure you've launched Microsoft Teams either on your desktop or in a web browser and navigate to your chosen team. Once there, select the specific channel where you want your announcement to appear. Selecting the appropriate channel is crucial because it determines who will receive and see the announcement. Next, it's time to start a new conversation. Look towards the bottom of the channel's interface for the button labeled New Conversation. Clicking this will bring up a message box where you typically type your messages. On the left side of this box, you'll notice an icon that looks like an A with a pencil. This is the Format button. Give it a click and you'll notice that the editor expands to reveal more tools and options, which will help us craft our announcement. Now we're ready to transform a regular message into an announcement. At the top left of the expanded editor menu, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Conversation. Click on it and select Announcement from the options. Choosing this will introduce a headline box at the top and offer several background color options underneath. These tools are specifically designed to make your announcement eye-catching and distinct. It's time to get creative with your announcement. In the headline box, type a title that's both concise and compelling, something that captures attention right away. Then move on to the larger text box to input the main body of your message. This is where you convey the core information you want to share. Remember, your goal is to be clear and informative. To further enhance visibility, consider changing the background color, a simple but effective way to ensure your announcement stands out. Additionally, you have the option to add images, links, or attach files if they are relevant to your message. Finally, after customizing your announcement to your satisfaction, it's ready to go live. Look for the Send button, symbolized by a paper plane icon. With one click, your announcement is now live in the channel for all members to see. The bold headline and unique formatting made possible by following these steps make the announcement prominently visible, helping ensure your team stays informed and engaged. And there you have it. You've successfully posted an announcement in Microsoft Teams. With these simple steps, you can ensure important messages are noticed and appreciated by your team. Thank you for tuning in and stay connected for more tips and